So what's up, everybody? Back at the shop. Got some more shelves in. Had some people come by and help give us a little support, putting them together. My buddy Ramon, Rodney Reed came through. Even had Maryland Sharks come through. My buddy Marshall came through. And of course my partner Vernon Hemphill came through with the shelves. We getting this thing all set up, y'all. Gonna have our cash register posted up right here. Come back in here, we're gonna have our little hydroponics department all set up. Big screen TV on the wall, hydroponic systems with all the products. We getting it in. We're gonna get some products in here real soon, maybe by the end of the month. We're working out a few things, but it's all good. Hey, we at 8445 Natural Bridge, Loudbank Grow Supplies. Go to loudbank.com, see what we're gonna have. And like this page, y'all. We trying to get a business going. And appreciate the support from everybody. All right, y'all. Later.